So, yun, good morning. Medyo late tayo nakalabas ngayon. 7:45 na yata. February 13 nga pala ngayon, and bukas is Valentine's Day. So, yung mga may ka-date dyan, edi congrats. Tapos yung mga wala, bawi na lang tayo next year. Kalookan. Bayag ka kalookan.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Yun yung malapit sa San Marcelino eh. Halos lahat ng basketball court nila yung kalahating kalsada.
Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once.
San Marcelino na lang tayo. Meron din naman dito. Basta dito sa may shortcut to, paglampas itong arko, ito. Paglampas na paglampas na niligo ka sa kanan.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die.
Madaling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero sumandok ka pa. Sarap kaya? Wala na akong pera. Sana kayo rin. Loh, mandomoy po. Sana maging cute ako kahit isang araw lang. Ang hirap kasi pag araw-araw. Nagtimpla ako ng kape, pero ako yung sumarap. Crush pa lang kita. Loyal na. Ang love parang bayad sa jeep. Minsan hindi nasusuklihan. Di ba? Never ka nagkulang sa jowa. Kasi jowa ang kulang sa'yo. Outs! Keke. Minahal kita noon. Huwag commute ka ngayon. Buti nga. Kung single ka, mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo. Tapos single ka pa rin. Okay? Huwag mong pakiligin kung hindi mo jojoy. Uy, bawal yun. Nagmahal na saktan, nagtabing ilog. Kaya tara, punta na kayo dito. Napasarap tayong ligo dun ah. Alas 12 na, ang init, grabe. Para nasa disyerto ba? Tirik na tirik pa yung araw oh. Nagugutom na ako. Ang init. May soft drinks po kaya? Bote na yun. Thank you po. And here we go again.